Hi, Mark Power here again, your stuttering specialist. And today we're going to talk about how to get over a severe stuttering problem. Basically, here are some things you might be doing before you get into any kind of stuttering treatment program. It can be challenging, but with professional help, it's possible to make significant improvements. And here are some strategies that might be helpful in the meantime. So, join support groups. There are a lot of stuttering support groups. One is the National Stuttering Association. They have a website. They have meetings in every state. And I actually was one of the chapter leaders years ago. We had up to 50 or 60 people who stuttered in a meeting. And I ran those meetings for 3 or 4 years, and it was one of the most rewarding things that I did. I met a lot of people who stuttered, and I think they really got some help. The help really comes from knowing there are other people who stutter that are available, and you can talk to them and you don't feel that alone. And also we did practice some speech techniques at some of the sessions, and that seemed to help also. So working with a speech language pathologist to learn these speech techniques is really the best thing you can do. But you need to find a stuttering specialist. Stuttering specialists are people who have had extra training. The American Speech, Language, and Hearing Association, of which most speech therapists are members, has certified only about 100 people in the country to be stuttering specialists. And I've been one of those for about the last 20 years, and I've been exclusively working with people who stutter. So you really learn a few things, but I'll tell you, most of the treatment that I have been using that's effective comes from evidence-based research and has been developed by other scientists, other researchers, and shown to be effective. So it's not something that I'm making up as I'm going along. So these are some of the things you might do before treatment. Even if you have severe stuttering, you may know that talking to other people is a great idea. Talking to family is important too. A lot of people who come to me and been through my programs have really kept it a secret. Everybody else in the family obviously knew they stuttered, but they really haven't sought any help from other family members. They don't talk about their stuttering. And it's really a hard thing to go through. And most of the times when they do reach out to another family member, they're more than willing to be there for them and at least have an empathetic ear while they're trying to resolve their problem. So these are some tips and hints that aren't really therapy. I have a therapy program that I use that is evidence-based. And if you want some more information, there is a link at the bottom of this video. Go ahead and click on that. And we can talk about whether you'd be a good candidate for my intensive treatment program. It's a 2-week online program. And I would like to have a chance to talk to you. The link allows you to schedule a free consultation with me, and we can chat to find out a little bit more about you, and I can answer any questions you might have about how my treatment works. So thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you next time. Mark Power here, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Also, be sure to hit the share button and leave us a comment below so that others can benefit from it as well. I'll be recording a lot more helpful videos like this one to help you overcome your stuttering. And if you'd like to be notified, then click on the bell icon below.